You've tried dozens of face creams before, but there's one which is different. A revolutionary innovation that has just begun to be implemented in the world. Silveroni Diamond Face, with its new and unique formula, revives the cells with CBD oil it contains and maintains youth. It balances the oil that your skin needs, because it contains a high percentage of omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. It will take your breath away with its miraculous effects on tired and dried skin. Hemp oil, a revolutionary invention, is the latest and miraculous invention of the plant-based health sector. With cannabidiol in its content, it provides health only without the toxic psychoactive effects. Special with your first order, our gift soap with rich CBD content will be yours. Silveroni Diamond Face.